What is up, you guys? And I am Code Ranger here, and today in this video I will be showing you how to code a website in HTML5. So let's go ahead and begin here. We got our desktop open. This also will work on PC, don't worry about it. Mac, PC, Linux, it'll all work on the same. Uh, yeah, so let's go ahead and make a new folder. So I'll call this YouTube website tutorial. Spelled that wrong, didn't I? Oh, I didn't. Okay. Alright, now we got our folder. Let's go in here, open this folder up, and let's make another folder called Style Sheets. So, yeah, we got a folder. Let's go ahead and clean this up. Alright, so now we got a folder, and if you guys want to use a text editor, if you would like to use text editor or Word Notepad or WordPad, doesn't matter, but I prefer something called Sunline Text. If you want to take a look at that or download it, link will be in the description, by the way. Okay, let's go ahead and make up a CSS file. Alright, so we're going to name this styles.css. And then we'll just take this little folder icon right here and drag it. And on PC, you'll just change the file directory in which the file will be saved to. So now we got a CSS file. Now we need to make an HTML file. Normally on most website like hosting companies, they like your front line web page, like your home web page, will need to be named index, because any index.html, it will automatically or also index.php. Anyways, it'll automatically use those files for your website. So for just backup purposes, we're gonna go ahead and use it index.html. So save it as that, and then we're gonna save it in the following, or in the YouTube website folder. Okay, and now we got that. Now you can see that we can launch the HTML file from our browser, and we're in there now. So we go view page source. We have absolutely nothing in here because it's empty. So yeah, if we just go ahead up right here and open it in Sublime. Okay, now we've got our file open. So let's start writing some code. Alright, so first up we're going to type in doctype HTML. This is actually required, so HTML. Alright, so now we got our document type is HTML. Now let's start off with our HTML. So everything in HTML is tags. It's called tags, okay? So now let's go with our HTML tag parameter. And then we're going to end it using the slash right here. So this is the starting, and this is the ending, because you have this little slash right here. Okay, so in here, we're in the HTML document here. Let's go ahead and create something called a head. Caps lock on. Head. So basically what this does, this is just like extra information. So you have your title, your description, your like what do you want it to be on YouTube, on Google. So you know how you go like, let's just type in YouTube, and it'll have like a description here of it, of the website, see that? And then you have like the little bit of description right there. Google actually indexes that through a title called meta, and it's got like a description. I can't speak today. But we're not going to use that because, like I said, testing purposes, pretty much just an example. So instead, we're just going to go ahead title, and then we're going to call this YouTube website example. Then we're going to end it, like I said, end it with that little tag right there. And then now if we go into our web page, we double click it, open up the Chrome. Now you'll see at the top here we have a YouTube website example. So now you have your tabs here, and then that's your website, the name of your website. Okay, so yeah, let's go and further. Okay, so I think it's link, right? And then well, no, let's not do that right now. We'll do that in the next tutorial. But let's just show you how to make a simple some text on the screen, you know, because it's pretty boring, you know, nothing really on here, just a bunch of boring stuff. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and indent our code, and then we're gonna go. What should we do? Let's just go heading 1. So now we've got like a head, and then let's just type in website, and then end it, and then let's make a paragraph. And then we'll go ahead and just end that. So now we'll go look at our website. We've got, go ahead and open it here. Now we've got a little bit of text here. So you might be wondering, you know, how can I move this? Okay, because it's in the left-hand corner, but let's say I wanted the middle, right? Okay, so obviously you can do this with CSS, but in this tutorial we're not going to go over CSS yet until the next tutorial. So yeah, so let's go ahead and just do this the HTML way. Okay, so we're going to do form. We're going to make this a form. I don't recommend this, but if you really don't give a crap, by all means, whatever. Okay, so we're going to do form, and then we're going to do align, LIGN equals center. And then we're going to indent this. You don't have to indent it, but I recommend to. Makes a neater code. And then we're going to end it, and then now if we go back and look, boom, it's at the middle. And let's say you want to go make a button, or you want to make this text right here. You'll make it clickable. Okay. So now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna do we're gonna make an A tag, which is a link. We're gonna do a brief. Sorry, EF, right? Yeah. Then we're gonna make this we'll do hashtag for now to make it a link, and then we're gonna end it over here. So /A. And then if we go back in it, now we've got a link here. So we can also make this a link, but you know why. And also, if you want to make this bold text, you can do B for bold. And then same thing goes for italic. So there you go, you got bold text, so let's do italic. And then we'll end it. And boom, we got italic text. Looks pretty good, not too bad. And because I'm not going to be going over CSS in this tutorial, I will show you the HTML way of changing the background color. Just because. Okay. So if we go into oh wait, I forgot to make a body tag. BOD1. Okay, so now body tag, and then background color equals yellow. And then if we go, well, oops, BG color, can't remember. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So now we got a yellow background. We got some italic bold text with a link on it, and you can change the link right here. So if we want this, we go to www.google.com. Let's go http://www.google.com, and then, well, if it would, hold up. Oh, we forgot to save it. Of course. Oh. Okay. Well, if it'll work, maybe. There it goes. Yeah, yeah. So, pretty much that's it, guys, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Episode 2, I will be going over CSS styling and a little bit more of HTML, to make you a pretty good website. But hopefully this got you started, and yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the link below for Sublime Text if you're interested in downloading that. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video, and see you next time.